Hello coders, welcome to my channel. Today we will be discussing the problem from LeetCode POTD, that is 3300 minimum element after replacement with digit sum. Let's read the problem. You are given an integer array nums. You replace each element in nums with the sum of its digit. Return the minimum element in nums after all replacement. Let's do this all operations on this array. First, we should replace each element of nums with sum of its digit. Let's replace it. If we replace each element by its sum of digits, then 1 plus 0 will give you 1, then 1 plus 2 give you 3, and 1 plus 3 give you 4, and 1 plus 5 give you 5. Now the updated array is look like this. Then what should you return? Return the minimum element in nums after all replacement. Then you should return the minimum of all this replacement. What is the minimum value of all this replacement? The minimum value is 1. So you should return that as your answer. So I hope you get this question very well. Let's jump to the code directly because it is very easy problem. So here is my code. So here is my code. First, I store nums.length into n variable, and then I process each element of nums, and I initialize my sum variable to 0, and I process each digit by digit. This nums I modulo 10 will you the last digit, give you the last digit. Like if you do 1 2 4 5 modulo 5 modulo 10, the result of this operation is 5, so it will give you the last digit. Then if you divide it by 10, then the last digit is removed. This operation is used for remove last digit, because in Java this divide equal to operator is floor division. So if you do 1 2 4 5 divide by 10, then it will give you 1 2 4. The last digit 5 is removed from the number. Similarly, when till nums I is greater than 0, you do these two operations, and in this way you can sum all of the digits of that nums I. I hope you got this. First, the nums I is 1 to 4 5. Then you sum plus 5 to your answer, and then the nums I will convert it into 1 to 4, and then you do this loop again because 1 to 4 is greater than 0. And similarly you do 1 to 4 modulo 10, and this will give you 4, and you sum it up into your sum variable, and then you do divide equal to divide by 10, this will give you 12, and still it is greater than 0, so you do next two operations same as above. 12 modulo 10 will give you 2, and 12 divided by 10 give you 1. So you sum it up this 2 into your sum variable, and the next still the nums I is greater than 0, so you process it again. Here this is not modulo, this is divide, so you process it again. If you process it again, then 1 modulo 10 will give you 1, and if you divide it by 10, this will give you 0. So in this case it is become 0, so you will not process it again, and finally you sum it up only 1 to your sum variable. In this way you can easily sum all of the digits of this number 1245 into your sum variable. I hope you get this, how this divide by 10 will help you to remove last element, and modulo 10 will help you to get the last element. These two operations are very useful to do the sum of digits. Similarly, then you store nums I equal to sum, and store, and you process the updated array again. First, you initialize your mini to nums 0, and whenever you find any element which is lesser than lesser than mini, then you update mini to that, and finally you return mini as your answer. I hope you get this code very well and the intuition behind it. Thank you for watching my channel. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.